To renew a domain on Godaddy, start by logging into your account. Go to the Godaddy website and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password. Then click Sign In. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or username at the top right corner. Then select My Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Account Manager page, where you can view and manage all of your domains. In the Account Manager page, click on the Domains tab. This will show you a list of all the domains you have registered with Godaddy. Find the domain you want to renew and click on the Manage button next to it. On the Domain Management page, click on the Renew Domain button. This will take you to the Renewal page, where you can select the number of years you want to renew your domain for. Choose your renewal period and click Add to Cart. If you have any available discounts or promotions, they will be applied automatically. Review your order to make sure everything is correct. Then click Proceed to Checkout. On the Checkout page, review your order again and enter any payment information if necessary. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service. Then click Complete Purchase. Once your payment is processed, your domain will be renewed and you will receive a confirmation email from Godaddy. You can also view the status of your domain in the Account Manager page to confirm that it has been renewed successfully. It is essential to keep track of your domain renewal dates to avoid any downtime or loss of ownership. You can set up renewal reminders in your Godaddy account to ensure you never miss a renewal date. By following these steps, you can easily renew your domain on Godaddy and keep your online presence active.